अस्सलामुअलैकुम माय फ्रेंड्स। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दो तरह के क्रिसमस ट्री बनाना सिखाऊंगी, जिसको बनाना बहुत ही आसान है। इसको बनाने के लिए आपको एक पेंसिल, एक स्केल और एक पेज की ज़रूरत पेश आएगी। ये एक्टिविटी आप अगर टीचर हैं तो अपने किड्स स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ज़रूर करें और इसकी हिस्ट्री भी अपने स्टूडेंट्स को बताएं। और अगर आप एक मदर हैं, पेरेंट्स हैं, तो आप अपने किड्स के साथ, अपने चाइल्ड्स के साथ ये एक्टिविटी करें और इसमें बाद में रंग भी भरें। आइए मैं आपको इसकी हिस्ट्री बताती हूँ और आप ये आगे अपने किड्स और स्टूडेंट्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करें। A Christmas tree is a decorated tree, usually an evergreen conifer such as the spruce, pine or fir, or an artificial tree of similar appearance associated with the celebration of Christmas. Christmas tree, an evergreen tree, often a pine, spruce or fir, decorated with lights and ornaments as a part of Christmas festivities. Christmas trees can be fresh cut, potted, or artificial and are used as both indoor and outdoor decorations. The blossom fires that all around classic Christmas tree. It has a strong spicy Christmas tree scent and its conical form and dark green color make it what most people identify with as a Christmas tree. Reddin says it also has excellent needle retention. Christmas trees are usually evergreen conifers such as spruce, fir and pines. Although Christmas trees in the shops all look very similar, there are many different species of conifers, among them the mass of green. Modern Christmas trees have been related to the tree of paradise of medieval mystery plays that were given on 24 December, the commemoration and name day of Adam and Eve in various countries. How long is Christmas? 12 days of Christmas in Western Christianity. The Christmas season is traditionally synonymous with Christmas, which runs from December 25, Christmas Day, to January 5, 12th, 9th, or Epiphany Eve, popularly known as the 12 Days of Christmas. Christmas is an uncommon English language surname. The origin is uncertain. Some genealogy books state that it was given to people born near Christmas, while this is disputed by researchers, and DNA tests performed on men with the surname show that the majority of those descend from the common ancestor. The star is one of the most recognizable symbols of the holiday. It represents the star that appeared in the sky when Jesus Christ was born. 5 years before Jesus was born, symbol of the signs of the Savior's birth, including the appearance of the bright new year. Under Emperor Christianity, the church in Rome began celebrating Christmas on December 25 in 336. Some says the date was chosen to outshine the Sol Invictus and pagan